Steve O'Brien, founder of iBodyshop. Today has been quite an enlightening experience for talking about the environmental issues facing body shops. And I feel where we can help most is create an environmental dashboard in iBodyshop that will collate all the necessary data they need for reporting, such as electricity use, fuel use, parts, transport use. So yeah, it's been an excellent experience. And I think we'll go away and have a little subcommittee and make sure we can deliver for our customers. Part of the end dashboard would be then to actually use that data to educate the public, and not only the public, insurers and the broader community on what it actually costs to maintain all these environmental issues, but also the benefits of it as well, and the fact that this industry is really starting to do something about the environment for the future, make it all nice and sustainable.